Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. We are going to try our hand at making pupusas. If you haven't had pupusas, they are an incredible pancake shaped tamale in very bad adjectives. They are absolutely incredible. You should give them a try. Now, they aren't the cheapest thing in the world to purchase, and they take a while. So if you order them from the store, they might take you a minute, you know? So I have been wanting to try them, and we are going to try them. This masa is the only one that the store had. We've got 3 cups in here, 2 teaspoons of salt. It's been cold here. I've been busy, and things are just a little chaotic, so I have a lot to get done. This is a delicious, comforting meal. One of my roommates showed me this a while back, introduced me this meal, and it's incredible. Now I have introduced my husband to them. They're incredible, y'all. If you never tried them, give them a shot. They're absolutely delicious. This is a 3-ingredient dough. The salt is all the flavor. We're gonna add 2 3/4 cup of cold water. Now it's basically freezing here, so this is gonna be really cold. Here's my 2 3/4 cup of water. Delicious. My skillet's really hot now. We're gonna give these a taste. I hope they're delicious. And a cute little heart-shaped one. There you have it, y'all. Bon appetit. Those turned out delicious. Just gotta make sure they're cooked. And you gotta make sure they have enough dough, which is quite a bit. Add about a teaspoon or so of bean, tablespoon of cheese. Kind of want to wrap that around it even. Flatten her out. And they poof up a little bit, I think. So we're gonna thin it out a little more. Turned it off, so we are going to just plop it on. Beautiful. Alright, y'all, here's a couple pupusas on the griddle. They look incredible. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, consider subscribing, throwing a comment down below. Tell us what you think, and the price on this, I can tell you right now, y'all, it's much cheaper. Takes a little time to fry them up. Frying them up is the longest part. We are going to make some chicken, bean, and cheese pupusas. I've got my skillet on. We are going to put a little bit of chicken breast in there, flattened out, cleaned breast. I'm gonna put some water in there, seasoning. Half a cup of water. We're gonna put a little bit of taco seasoning in there. I know, probably not too authentic, but cumin because I love it. Make up a little bit more batter. Let this cook up. Cap it. I've got my dough. 3 cups of masa, 2 teaspoons of salt or more. We think it needs more. And 2 3/4 cup of cold water, and I have a can of refried beans with mozzarella cheese in it already. Also put a little salt. This is a 3 burner, so we will get these going. Hey y'all, so I cooked my family up a couple. They turned out delicious. That chicken, I just cooked it with a taco seasoning, a little cumin and salt, because I don't put salt in my taco seasoning. It's not proper. It's not right. So what I'm going to do is probably salt and pepper some chicken next time and put some salsa verde. Now this is really delicious, but it needs salsa or something. Avocado salsa or something would be incredible. I'm just waiting on this one last one to cook up. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I love these. My husband loves them now. This is a family favorite. It's really not that hard. Don't be nervous. Don't be scared. Give stuff a try, y'all. If you love a food, go ahead and give it a shot. Try to make it. If you love a certain type of bread, try to make it, y'all. It is incredible, and it's so delicious when you can make something super delicious. We're gonna pair this with a delicious chocolate cake for dessert, and we're gonna enjoy the night. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked the video, consider giving us a like. Follow us for more and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate y'all. We hope to see y'all again soon, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Bon appetit, y'all.